Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing the skin so the lotion works. Wash the area with mild soap and water, then pat completely dry. Moisture reduces absorption. Once dry, shake the bottle, and if this is your first time, apply a tiny test patch to check tolerance. Make sure to use clean hands or a sterile cotton pad. Dispense a thin, even layer over the affected area. Don't over-apply. Thin coverage ensures steady absorption and reduces irritation risk while you start therapy. Once the thin layer is in place, gently rub it in until the lotion disappears. You want even contact with the skin. Apply as directed. Most regimens are 1 to 2 times per day, so establish a consistent schedule, morning and evening if needed. Make sure to avoid eyes and mucous membranes and do not apply to open wounds unless advised. If you need to cover the area, use breathable dressing only when recommended. Consistency matters. Regular dosing maximizes effectiveness and reduces relapse risk. You must finish the full prescribed course. Stopping early can allow symptoms to return. Once treatment is complete, wash hands and monitor the area for several days. Make sure to note any rebound or new irritation. If you experience persistent burning, swelling, or severe redness, stop application immediately and rinse thoroughly with water. Then contact your healthcare provider. Also check storage, store at room temperature, and do not use past the expiry date to ensure potency and safety.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.